How to fix Klarna payment not processed error. If you're having issues that says payment not processed error on Klarna, the first is to verify your card details. So agree to the terms and conditions and log in and verify your card details. So ensure it's not frozen and has enough funds. Update in the app as well. So go to payment section within the application here. Once you go to payment section, select the order and choose change card to update your details, or you can try using a different card or bank account, as some bank or cards may be blocked for Klarna transactions. Some technical fixes might be to try to clear the cache files for Klarna. So go to the app info page. On Android, you can access app info by long pressing the app icon and going to I button, then going to storage and clear the cache files over here. On iPhone, you can try to offload the app, disable any proxy, custom VPN settings and so on, and see if that helps you solve the problem as well. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.